Welcome back students to my channel ExactCT. So in this video we are going to discuss about important speaking cue cards you need to prepare for your December 2021 real IELTS test. So here we are going to discuss with the cue cards along with the sub question you need to prepare for your December month IELTS test. So let's start with the video. So, starting from the first cue card, describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or study. You need to talk about a plan that may be related to your marriage, about your life partner, about settlement of life, or related to building a house, starting a new business. Okay, so you should say what it is about, why you have made it, what do you need to do first, and explain how you would feel if it is successful means. So, you need to include all the sub questions. Next one, study about a person because you can able to apply that under so many cue cards. Either they will ask you about to describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school. Okay, describe a creative person whose work you admire. Describe a businessman you admire. Describe a foreign person who you have heard or known that you think is interesting. Describe someone older than you whom you admire. Describe famous person that you are interested in. Or describe an old person you know and respect. For all these cards, they are asking about a person, right? So try to prepare with a foreign business celebrity that also over 60 or 65 years means you can apply under all these cards. So try to study about a foreign businessman above 60 years, then you can cover up with all these sections. Then next one, describe a skill that was difficult for you to learn. So one more cue card will be there related to skill. Describe a skill that you can teach other people. The first one is difficult for you to learn. Then second one, you can teach others. That means you are expert in doing that particular thing. So include all the sub question and cover up with the cue card. So try to study about a skill in general. Then you can apply for both these cards. Okay, go through the sub questions to you. Then moving on to the next cue card that is related to you. A situation. Describe a time you were friendly to someone you didn't like. Actually, you don't like that particular person, but you need to be friendly with that person. Maybe because of the situation, you may be in front of any public or in any occasion means. Okay, so you should say when and where it happened, who he or she was, why you didn't like that person, and explain why you were friendly to him or her on that occasion. Then moving on to the next one that's related to an activity. You need to study about an activity, then you can apply under describe an activity that you usually do that waste your time. Describe an art or craft activity like painting, woodwork, etc. that you had at school. Describe an activity that you do after school or work. Describe a difficult thing you did. Describe a time you tried to do something but weren't very successful. So all these cards are based on an activity. So you need to study about any life activity which you can able to apply for all these cards, and try to think about the way of asking to you. According to the way of asking, you need to use the tense. If they are asking about the old experience or childhood experience means you need to talk in past tense. Then if it is about the present means you need to use present tense, so try to use the tense according to the way of asking. The next one, describe a time when you change your opinion. So you need to talk about a time in which you change your opinion, when it was, what the original opinion was, why you changed it, and explain how you felt it, whether it was a good decision or not. That means what's the outcome of that particular opinion. Okay, so you need to talk about that. Next one, describe a cafe you like to visit, or describe a special hotel you stayed in. So a special hotel also the cafeteria will be there, so you can just talk about a special hotel. Okay, the same answer you can apply for describe a part of city or town you enjoy spending time in. That may be related to that cafe you like to spend your time in, or describe a quiet place you like to spend your time in. That also that special hotel or the cafe. Okay, so the same sample you can apply for these two cue cards too. So try to study about a cafeteria in detail. So where it is, what kind of food or drinks it's served, what you do there, and explain about that. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card, describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. So that's about anything you can talk about, and the same sample you can use for describe an important equipment in your family. Okay, so try to talk about any type of equipment or any type of item which you are keeping for a long time. So what it is, when your family had it, how your family got it, and explain why it is important for your family. Maybe it hand over from generation to generation, in the sense it is very important for your family, related to any traditional item you can talk about. Next one, describe a piece of local news or international news they can ask for, that is people are interested in. So you should say about what it was about, where you saw, heard it, who was involved, and explain why people were interested in it. So it's better to study about this COVID pandemic or related to COVID vaccination, then you can apply for local and international. Then next one, describe a live sports match that you have watched, or else they will ask about this water sports also. So you can just talk about any type of sports item. If they categorized it as water sports, means you need to concentrate more on that, or else you can talk about any items. Next one, describe a difficult decision that you once made, that may be related to your career, about your marriage, about your job, or about the career change. Okay, that may be related to your professional or personal life. So include all the sub question. Next one, describe a time when you shared something with others. Shared something, that may be any experience or anything, any food. Okay, so what you shared, who you shared with, why you shared it, and explain how you felt about sharing it. If you are not talking about any item in the sense, you can just include about the talking about any promise which you given to someone, or talking about any important truth, in the sense you can include these two cue cards too. That means describe a time you made a promise to someone, or describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. So if you are sharing your experience, in the sense you can just cover up these three questions in one answer. So try to do like that. Always try to prepare jumbo cards, then it will be easy for you. Try to study about a person, place, or experience, like that. Okay, next one, describe a time when you were really close to a wild animal. You need to talk about an experience when you were really close to any wild animal. So any type of wild animal you can talk about. That may be to the way of zoo, or way to any forest area, or any trip related. Okay, next one, describe a perfect job you would like to have in your future. So if you are thinking it is perfect for you according to your character, according to your qualities or qualifications, so you can talk about that particular job. Then next one, they are asking for your favorites. Nowadays they are asking related to favorite bag, favorite animal, favorite singer, favorite athletes, favorite movie, favorite place, and favorite weather. So you need to prepare with these cue cards. Okay, so in part 1 also they are asking something related to your favorites only, so try to elaborate it. Next one, describe an occasion when you were not allowed to use your mobile phone. There are so many occasions in which we can't able to use our mobile phone, during airport checking, inside the x-ray room, or in some particular ward in hospitals, or some during the examinations. Okay, you can talk about that. Next one, describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. It was an unknown place in which you stuck in. So you need to talk about that experience. Okay, maybe you are alone or with your friends, so you can explain about that. Next one, describe an exciting book that you enjoy reading. So nowadays they are asking this particular cue card, so you can expect that in the coming month also. So exciting book, if you are interested in reading, means you can just, you have a lot of things to talk about. If you are not interested in reading, means try to prepare with this card. Okay, try to go through, try to prepare with any particular book, okay, about the author and all. Next one, describe an occasion when many people were smiling. That means a happiest or pleasant occasion you need to talk about. Any comedy program, or any marriage function, or any joyful occasion, you can talk about that every person is smiling. That may be inside a theater or cinema also, you can talk about. So try to include all the sub questions too, when it happened, where, and all. So next one, related to a place, describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. You need to talk about a town or city you would like to live in the future. That means you like to settle down there. And one another cue card related to this place, describe a place you visited on vacation. So maybe that place only you selected to settle down in your future, means both cue cards will cover up in single answer. Okay, again, the next one, describe a good service you received. Any type of good service you can talk about, from any restaurant, hospital, from any company, organization, shopping malls, or even from these online shopping platforms. Any type of good service you received. Next one, describe a bicycle, motorcycle, or car trip you would like to go on. You would like to go on, that means you need to use a future tense. So according to the way of asking, try to check out the way of asking and try to prepare your sample answer. Okay, take care about the tenses. So they can ask about bicycle, motorcycle, or about the long car trip or car journey. Next one, describe a habit your friend had and you want to develop. So any type of habit, if you find it as a good habit, that means getting up early in the morning or doing some exercise or yoga or meditation, okay, or weekly checkup or something like that he is doing for his health purpose, or having some healthy food, diet related, anything you can talk about. So the next one, describe a time when you were waiting for something special that would happen. You are waiting for something good, that means some good news. The previously also we had one cue card like that. You are waiting for some good news that may be related to your result or arriving of any new member like baby born, or waiting for any appointment or applications. Okay, so describe a time you got up early. That was the next one. That may be related to any interview or related to any, you have any some other special arrangements going to attend a interview. Okay, then next one, describe a time you brought something from a street or outdoor market. You know what all are the things we can able to buy from the street or outdoor market. So you can just talk about an experience like that, some spices or some chapels or some dress items or any curtains. Okay, any food items. Okay, street food and all. Next one, describe a natural talent you want to improve, like sports, music, like that. Okay, previously also something related card we discussed. So natural talent, that is inborn talent or natural talent you want to improve in your life. Sports, music, art related questions. Sorry, related things you can talk about. So you should say what it is when you discovered it, how you want to improve it, and how you feel about it. Whether you want to join for any classes to improve it, or you can do it by yourself, or like that. Then next one, describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike. You can talk about any building which you like or you dislike about. Any type of tall building, any residential building or any commercial building you can talk about. Okay, so try to include all the sub questions again. So whenever you are getting a cue card, try to utilize the time. That means 1 minute time you are getting, no. So try to utilize that properly. Try to make some notes using this bulleting point and all. Next one, describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. That's completely based on your area of interest. That may be 5 minute craft if you are interested in these DIYs and all means. According to your area of interest, you can talk about that. Then the next one, describe a company where you live that employ a lot of people. That means you need to talk about a company in your local area. Okay, so that's about the Q card. Try to prepare with this. Stay tuned for more updates.